Cold porcelain clay is an expensive, non-toxic, easy to work with material. It is an air-dry clay that doesn't require heat in order for it to cure. And once dried, the thick pieces are hard as rock, and thin pieces are flexible. Cold porcelain clay is easy to color and paint. It is easy to clean with water or alcohol. You can also carve it, cut, scratch, drill, and sand it. It is recommended to put glaze or varnish after it's completely dried to protect it from water, molds, insects, and pests. Pests. Cold porcelain will shrink for about 15 to 20% after it dries. Also, keep it in mind that the colored clay will get darker when dried. You can make a lot of details using cold porcelain clay, like this grass. You can also make miniature projects or small flowers like this. Cold porcelain clay works best with plastics. It sticks to the metal easily. CP can take a lot of details. I use this polyester fiber fill for the long hair or dresses. I dried them on the silk screen. You can also use stock tissue. Things you can do with cold porcelain clay are endless. Here are some of my old creations using cold porcelain. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching!